Thank you, Priya ma'am. We'll start with now the next session by Professor. Just a minute, I'll just share the screen. Now we'll start with the session for Computer Engineering and Information Technology stream. We have with us Professor Aditya Kumar Dongre. He's working in PVG's College of Engineering from last 13 years. He is virtual lab coordinator for the Department of Computer Engineering. He'll be demonstrating today the lab on the computer graphics. Over to you, Dongre sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
You are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So today I'll tell you how to access the VLab. It's VLab on the computer graphics is based on the computer graphics VLab. So it in the CPU curriculum, the basic assignments are there on this lab. So first we'll see how to access the lab. So as already it's explained in the previous that we are going the URL that is vlabs.iitb.ac.in. Click on that, then we can see the
Dongre sir, kindly switch off your video and then you can start sharing your screen.
Yeah, that's a
Thank you.
So click the VLab tab.
Sir, please share your screen.
Just 1 minute. See now?
It's not yet visible, but I think it's now. We'll just wait for a minute. Yes, now it is visible.
So we use the to so just you need to type vlabs.itb.in in your one minute.
Dongre sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay. Now
your voice is breaking, sir.
I'll change the internet connection.
I think Dongre sir is facing some connectivity or the network issues. We'll just wait for a minute. Dongre sir, are you there? Dongre sir, we can't hear you. You're not audible. Dongre sir.
I'll just call and check what is the issue. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible. You can continue, sir.
Now it's audible, right?
Yes, you are audible now, and
Okay.
your screen is also
Okay.
visible.
Sorry for the
Please continue,
interruption.
sir. And I request all the participants to kindly bear with the network issues. Yeah, thank you.
So first we have to use the vlabs.itb.ac.in link. Enter it. So you'll get the home page of IIT Bombay Virtual Lab. Here you'll get a VLabs Dev tab. Click on that. So you'll get again here options like there you have to go to the Explore Lab. So just click on the approved labs. Under the approved labs, you go to the under computer science and engineering, there is a computer graphics lab. Click on that. Then you will get here at the left hand side, there is an introduction, list of experiment, target audience, and course alignment. These links are there. So here introduction is about the course, virtual lab, computer graphics virtual lab. So it's a message over there. So go and see the list of experiments. So here we have 8 experiments here. So the first experiments we are going to see here, that is digital differential analyzer, line drawing algorithm. So we click on that, and here on the top you can see you'll get few tabs here like aim, theory, pretest, procedure, simulation, post-test, and references. So we are going to use these tabs, and these tabs are same for all assignments. So what is our main aim? To learn DDA, line drawing algorithm. So we'll go to the next tab. So you can get the theory about DDA algorithm. So it's about scanning, and so how scanning takes place and how the pixels are plotted. So this theory about that. The next one is we go to the pretest. So pretest is basically to test the knowledge of the students. So once they go through the theory using the book or using this theory given in the virtual lab, so just they have to select random. Let's say we select few options here. So there might be few correct and few wrong. So just you have to submit the quiz. So you can see here at the end, bottom side, there are 3 out of 5 is coming because there are the 2 questions are which are wrong, right? So we need to check here. So here we have only 2 options. Just I change the options and again I submit the quiz. So out of 5 out of 5 is there. So like this, you can check the knowledge of the students. So next is a procedure. So here, what are the types of the lines? So generally we can have the vertical line, we can have the horizontal line, gentle slope, sharp slope. These are the different types of lines are there in the computer graphics. So we have pre-stressed questions based on those. Now the next step we'll see, there is a procedure. In the procedure, there is a algorithm for the DDA is given. So steps are there. So students can refer these steps. This is mentioned in the very simple language. So just they can take the notebook and they can start taking the coordinate and they can calculate the x and y as per the algorithms. 7 steps are there. Now we move to the simulation tab. In the simulation tab, there are, if you see, there is a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and Q5 are there. So these are the different coordinates are taken as an example. So there is a vertical line is also there. So different examples we have taken. So what you can do, if you need to select one of them. So first I'm going with the Q1. So the coordinates are 2, 3, and 12, 8. So these are the x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. So just what you have to do, you have to start with the 2.3. So just I'm selecting right now. So here, I suppose using algorithm, I got these 2.4 and 3.4 as a next pixel. So I'm clicking on that. So if you in between, if you want to refer your procedure or algorithm, so there is a link is also given on the top. So just you need to click here, pop-up procedure. So here you can refer the steps and you can calculate the x and y coordinates. Just 1 minute, sorry. Once again, I go to the computer graphics lab, directory list of experiments. I click on the DDA and we go to the simulation part. Okay, so just when I start, so we were here. So on 2, 3, next suppose we calculated 2, 4. So 4, 5, something like this. Just I'm randomly clicking on this. So 10, 11, and there's a 12, 8. So let's say I got these pixels. So I click on the pixels and then I click on the check coordinates. So it will show you whatever the pixels you have clicked or plotted, it is a right or wrong. So you can see here at the right hand side, there are the correct coordinates are given. So calculated by using the algorithm, DD algorithm. So here these are the x and y values are there for the next pixel. So here green is shows you the correct one. Red is for the wrong. You have plotted a wrong pixel. And black is the basically which are not plotted. So again, we'll see with the same example with the correct pixel values. We need to clear the canvas before that. So when we are using the other example for plotting, so we need to clear the canvas. Then we can go with the options like I clicked on the Q1. So 2, 3, 12, 8, these are the coordinates. So again, I start with the 2, 3. The next coordinate is the 3, 4, 4, 4, then 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, 6, 9, 7, 10, 7, 11, 8, 12, 8. So this we reach to the 12, 8, y2. Now we can check the coordinates. So you see here, all the coordinates, all the pixels basically are green. It means what